To set up customer notifications, start by opening the app from your Shopify dashboard. Next, click on the Settings tab. Then, navigate to the Notifications tab and click on it. Now, turn on the notifications you want to send your customers about their subscriptions. Want to customize a notification? Simply click the Edit button next to the template you want to modify. You can view the full content of the notification, send a test email to make sure everything looks good, or even dive into the HTML to make more advanced customizations. Once you're happy with your changes, click Preview to check how everything will appear to your customers. Now, you're all set to keep your customers in the loop.